This demo shows the use of JPTI Foottroller product with our PC remote server for game control using foot gestures. The Foottroller can be paired with Windows PC as a standard Bluetooth controller. After paired with the PC, it is ready to use when the power is switched on. The Foottroller PC connectivity can be verified at Windows PC's Bluetooth setting. Now run the JPTI PC remote server software, version 2.1.1b. Click the Find Foottroller button on the GUI. The Foottroller will be discovered and ready to use with the PC remote server software. The PC remote server will receive and process information from connected controllers for game control purposes. In addition, the PC remote server will send information from the Foottroller out in real time through Windows messages, such that third-party applications can use the controller information. As an example application, we provide an open-source demo software, which shows controller information sent by the PC remote server. The first view of the software shows information from a left Foottroller and a right Foottroller, including real-time user foot pointing directions, foot tilt angles and foot touch states. Using the information above, sophisticated user foot gestures can be detected and used for control purposes. The second view shows results of foot gesture detections. Currently implemented foot gesture detections in our API library include single foot gestures, swipe, step, and by foot gestures, walk, run, jump. All foot gesture detections are based on a general foot gesture detection framework. Visit our website for details. The third view shows information from a connected hand controller, for example, a PC game controller app, including button touch states, controller heading and tilt angle information. The driving game mode of the PC remote server, version 2.1.1b, supports acceleration and brake control using a connected Foottroller. Now we show the control in action in a car driving game. In the demo, the Foottroller is used for car acceleration and brake control. When user's foot points at a default direction and step down, the gas pedal is stepped. When user's foot turn left and step down, the brake pedal is stepped. Tilt angle of the user's foot is used to determine whether the user is stepping on or release the gas or brake. The control design with the foot gestures resembles the user's control of a car in real life. Here, our PC remote server serves as an control adapter. It allows the use of our controller app and Foottroller with any PC game. The Foottroller can also work directly with games to incorporate foot gesture-based game control. For the use of the Foottroller with game development software, such as Unity, please check out our demo video at the link in the video description. Thanks for watching.